If you want to set up a fingerprint on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our security and privacy tab. There it is. So first of all, you will have to make sure that we have our screen lock set. And so to do that, press set screen lock, or if you already set it, you can skip this step. So you have to choose whether you want to set it pattern, alphanumeric code, or numeric code. I'll set it as a numeric code. So please do not forget it, or otherwise you won't be able to unlock your device. Let's press next. So now create your numeric code. You have to use at least 6 digits. All right, now press done. And now we can either press automatically enable our fingerprint unlock, or let's do it manually. So let's go back to our security and privacy tab. Let's find our device unlock section, and let's press fingerprint and face unlock. So now choose your fingerprint, press agree, enter your screen password, and press add fingerprint. Now we have to place our finger on the sensor right here and lift it up when we feel a slight vibration. All right, and now you can either press done or press add another fingerprint to add another finger, or maybe other person's finger. So press done. You can also enroll your face using face unlock. I will do that later. And basically that's it. You can also rename your fingerprint. So press rename. Let's name the fingerprint me, and basically that's it. That's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.